Hello everyone, how are you all? This is Lakshman. Welcome back to YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the interesting topic, that is how to get the job in IT field without college degree. So almost every company requires candidates to have a college degree for recruitment, but things have somehow changed now. Candidates have now various sources to get the relevant and required skills for the organizations. Like the candidates nowadays are preferring doing certification programs and taking training and also taking self-learning, etc. And keep in this mind, employers are offering the jobs to the candidates without demanding for a traditional degree college. So indeed, appropriate skills and knowledge are more important than any college degree for any organization. So now let us look at the top companies that don't require candidates to have a college degree. The first one is Google. Anyone here who doesn't know about Google? So everybody knows Google. Okay, so the company offers various jobs in software engineering or product management domain without requiring a college degree. So that means you should have, however, you should have relevant skills and practical experience is must. Okay, so you should learn and get proficient with programming languages such as Java, C or C++, Python, etc., and understand the data structures concept, and also participate in coding challenges, build projects, etc., to land a job at Google without having a graduation degree. Okay, and the second company is the biggest company is Apple. Apple is one of the leading gains when it comes to the tech industry. This company offers various jobs such as full stack engineer, research scientist intern, system software engineer, and many more for both entry level and experienced candidates in consideration with their skills and experience, and yes, without any college degree as well. The third top company is Ernst and Young. So as per the company statement, academic qualifications will still be taken into consideration for the recruitment, but it will not be only parameter to assess candidates to reduce the chance of missing out on talented people who may not have degree. So this company also offers various job positions such as machine learning engineer, financial services. Okay, so many of job openings are there in Ernst and Young company. The next company is like IBM. So it is an international business machine corporation. Okay, this company also offers various job opportunities such as a data scientist, product manager, digital marketing manager, or research scientist, and various others for the candidates that do without the compulsory of graduation degree. Okay, the next company is Penguin Random House. Penguin Random House is one of the leading publishing houses across the world. Okay, so this company offers jobs for various such as web designer, social media marketing manager, editor assistant, and many more. The company has one of the best workplaces, and it also values the prospect of the employees for better works and results. So as of now, you must be aware of that there are a lot of companies that do not demand a traditional college degree for recruitment. But one thing you should know about that one, without college degree also you can get the job in IT field. But one thing you should notice here, you must have a relevant skill set and experience as per the company's requirement to get the green flag. So what are you waiting for? So do upgrade your skills and get some in hand experience, as the companies are waiting to welcome you abroad. Okay, so that's it guys. So keep watching our videos and subscribe our videos and share our videos, okay, and like our videos. So thank you for watching.